This is my phone and this is the victim phone. So on my phone, I'll go to Google Play Store to search for WhatsApp web scan. WhatsApp web scan. So I just click on it. I've already downloaded it, so I'll open it. So I'll web to start. So you click on WhatsApp web scan. So just wait for a second to download or to load. So if you hack the person WhatsApp and you want to see the messages or the information about the person WhatsApp every day, or you wish to see it, you just open the WhatsApp web app and you already hack the WhatsApp. So if you click on it, you will see the messages. So on the victim phone, you go to WhatsApp, you click on the WhatsApp and you go to the drop down button there, the three lines, you click on it and you go to WhatsApp web scan. So make sure that you have internet connection on both phones. So you just scan it. So you take the victim phone to scan your phone. So this is my phone. I have hacked the victim phone. So I have get the person's messages, everything about his WhatsApp, videos, pictures, audio, everything. And every time the person receives the message and you open the app, the WhatsApp web app on your phone, you will see the message and the person's chat. You will see everything. So if you don't want the person to know that you have hacked her WhatsApp, don't chat on the person's platform. Don't chat on it. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.